Dear viewers, if you are using the display port to HDMI and then you connect ready your two monitor with one PC, how you can solve the problem if there is no sound in your PC? You can see on the screen the two display monitors connected with my PC. Here is different display, there is different display. So how you can solve the sound problem in your PC if you are using the display HDMI to display port or in VGA? So first of all we have to learn how you can connect your two monitors to one PC. So we see the connection first. After that, have small setting in your PC to solve this problem. So first we learn about the connection. So here you can see our CPU. This one is the VGA output and then this one is the display output. You know the display output icon like that, if you can see. And then I am using here the display to HDMI converter. So we pull these two cables, VGA and then HDMI cable. So we connect the VGA to first monitor, this one, as you can see the Philips monitor, and then the second HDMI cable connect to the second monitor. So we connect the two monitors with one PC. One output is VGA, one output is display port. And you can see here the sound output stereo jack also connected with the speakers. You can see here the speakers. So all connection is okay, but we cannot get the sound. So how you can solve? This is very simple. We just go to the screen and then I will show you how you can do. Okay friends, so first of all we have to click the Windows icon. If you are using the Windows 11, you click the Windows icon, or if you are using different Windows, you click the settings. Once you click the settings, you have option the sound. You click the sound option and then here you can find out your display device. You can see here the Intel display audio. So our display audio must be in the speakers. Then if some PC you didn't get this option, the display option HDMI or anything, you have the option here the troubleshoot, and then you click the troubleshoot. It will solve 100% your problem. So I select the speakers and then close this one. If I play now something, for example I open here.
For just $49, you can make as many AI human videos as you want, and you never have to pick up a camera.
I recognize the legitimate grievances of the...
So as you can see, our audio is already okay. So this one is the normal setting. If you don't know, you just follow the steps and then you can easily do it. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.